Hey there, girlfriend. Emily Kennison here, the founder and inventor of the RobeCurls curling headband. And today I'm going to teach you some tips and tricks for using our curling headband in conjunction with some rollers to style curtain bangs. Find those bangs, pull them forward, have them brushed, dampen them, and make sure I'm getting the roots because that's where the extra hold is going to be. And then I grab my roller. I like to do the roller this way, get it to the end so that the ends of the hair are on the roller, and once that's the case, just roll it in. Now my bangs are up, and all you have to do at this point is grab your curling headband, slide it through the roller, position it so that the ends are even, the wire is facing forward, and now you can go ahead and just wrap like you normally would. It is all wrapped up, and we're just wearing this until hair is totally dry. Add a little finishing spray to keep it in place a little bit more, but there you have it.